You love Israel.
You love Israel.
Israel, payah. Israel tuh nggak ngambil tanah orang. Ya ini baru cakep.
Je ne parle quieto.
Piękna.
O kurwa.
Kurwa. Pierdol się.
Kurwa mać.
Je pierdolę.
Ja pierdolę. Ja pierdolę.
Elah. Skąd jesteś? Orang mana?
Z Polski.
Polski.
Polska.
Kurwa mulu lu. Gak ada akhlak lu. Kurwa dikit-dikit kurwa ente.
Kurwa, ryki, tyki. Wódka, bocian.
Wódka. Andrzej Duda.
Duda. Jebać dudę.
Jebać PiS.
Jebać PiS.
Jebać PiS. Gitu.
Skąd pochodzisz? Umiesz po polsku?
Nie mówisz po polsku. Inglaterra.
English?
Yeah. English. Can you speak English? I am from Singapore. Singapore.
Singapur.
Do you know Singapore?
Singapur?
Arab bukan.
Arab bukan.
Oh, lo lihat cantik doang. Why are you so beautiful?
I don't know.
Ya?
Pomarańcza.
Oh, you do skincare ya? Pakai skincare. Do you do skin treatment?
No skin. I eat.
Oh, tuh dengerin, orang bule aja nggak pakai skincare. Eat grape, eat orange.
Orange.
Iya.
Orange I eat.
Papaya.
You know?
Iya, you eat
No
papaya.
papaya, what the fuck?
So you berak lancar.
Orange.
Orange. Oh, you like orange juice. Caplok tuh. Jeruk.
Spierdalaj.
Iya, jeruk itu arisan tuh. Jeruk hajatan nih lu ambil nih. Halo. Dia from Israel. Tahu-tahu ada ngeliat orang gue kayak orang Cina kali.
You love Israel.
You love Israel.
Israel, payah. Israel tuh nggak ngambil tanah orang. Mantap. Halo bro.
Hello bro, how are you?
You from Israel bro?
Yeah.
Oh iya.
Like Israel?
Oh Israel.
Yeah.
Penjajah.
Singapore. Singapore.
Israel.
Vamos.
Tukang ngambil tanah
Vamos,
orang.
Singapore.
Singapore. Have you ever been to Singapore?
No, but my friend live
Ah,
in Singapore.
why?
For a few years.
Yeah, you have to go Singapore travel. You have to go Singapore traveling.
Yeah. I want to.
So good.
To Singapore.
How is Israel right now, bro?
Right now Israel is good.
Good, eh? There is no war again.
No.
No war again with Hamas.
Only Arabic with knife.
Oh.
This is only.
Fratelli d'Italia. Waduh, ayo ribut sini sama gue. Pak. Wah. Lu belum tahu orang Indonesia jago ribut. Nah, di Italia gak ada tawuran kan? Sini maju lu. Gue bawa gear Supra nih. Wah, takut kan kabur deh.
You're crazy bro, you crazy.
Iya, crazy gue mah. Sini maju lu. Gue bawa gear Supra nih. Mau ente bawa selepet pakai sarung. Iya. Lemian mah. You again yang kalah main karambol. Waduh, you have tattoo. Tattoo. Wah, aduh jagoan ente ya. You megang pasar. Tatuan doang nggak megang pasar. You from Ethiopia. Waduh. In Africa so far away. Aduh, this is my first time to meet Ethiopian.
Okay. Nice to
Bro,
meet you.
nice to meet you. What are you doing here? Kenapa lagi apaan?
Yeah.
What's your name?
Dagi.
Daki.
Dagi.
Dagi. Oh,
Yeah, what about
Dagi. My name is Misakura.
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 What are you?
I'm just talking with foreign people like you. Practice my English. How's my English? Good.
Yeah, it's good. It will
Waduh.
be perfect.
Ya,
Will be perfect.
perfect ke Ethiopia.
About 10 months ago, we celebrate our freedom.
Oh iya. The freedom is
Yeah.
everybody need.
No, we are the first country that has been not colonized by the European in Africa. Ethiopia is the only country. You know that?
Oh,
No one colonized us.
Ethiopia.
Yeah, we
Wow.
defeated Italy.
Weh,
You don't know that?
Mussolini.
Yeah, I think about 100 years ago.
Waduh, ngomongin sejarah nih. Wah, about history. I bet in the history classes.
You didn't know?
No, I don't know about that. Because my history score is under KKM.
You will find it on the internet.
Oh,
The
gitu.
only
Oke.
country that doesn't colonize in Africa is Ethiopia.
Oh, iya. Good information. Makan apa tuh? What do you hold? Tuh, apa?
What? Sorry?
What do you hold? Itu apa?
Water?
Iya. What do you hold itu? Apa yang lo pegang nih?
Oh, it's hair treatment.
Oh, pomade. Pomade.
Hair treatment.
Oh,
Yeah.
pomade.
Like-
Iya. Your hair
Brand.
is not too much, but you use pomade.
Yeah.
Kenapa rambut tuh dikit?
Very,
Ada Ethiopia. Ada enak juga ngobrol sama orang Ethiopia. Iya. Is there any cheetah in Ethiopia? Cheetah, lion. Yeah. Because if I watch National Geographic
lion.
about Africa, it's
Yeah,
always animal, you know. It's always bison, hyena,
We don't have,
cheetah, lion, crocodile. Wah, this is my first time to talk with Cambodia. How is Cambodia right now? Is it good?
quite good. Yeah.
Quite good.
Everything good.
Wah, how is coronavirus in Cambodia?
Like not much.
Not much.
Mm-hmm. Very
Oh,
cool. Like it's opening fully.
it's getting better then.
Yeah.
Iya, Cambodia.
Where you from? Where you from, by the way?
I am from Indonesia actually.
That's great. I mean, like maybe 2 or 3 Indonesian.
Have you ever been go to Indonesia?
Nah, never, bro.
No. Aduh, sayang sekali. What a shame. Kamboja is a lumbung gol. Kapan nih? When Kamboja meet again with Indonesia football.
Yes.
AFC. SEA Games lagi. What call it? Football in Southeast Asia. Suzuki Cup, AFF. Yeah, AFF Suzuki Cup. Because if my team not apa namanya doesn't meet Cambodia, my team cannot win with another with another nation, you know. Cambodia is weak, you know. So my national team is very very happy to meet Cambodia team. Because Cambodia is the weakest nation.
Oh, not really.
Aduh. What's your name, brother?
My name is Dara.
Oh, Darah. DA.
Dara.
Iya, Darah. Darah. Burung darah. Darah in my language is itu apa ya? Pigeon, you know? Pigeon.
Angel?
Pigeon is a bird.
A bird? Oh.
Gitu. Like that.
Okay.
Pigeon. Aduh.
You want to see some of my art? Yeah.
What kind of art?
Like drawing picture of a human anime something.
Oh,
like that.
drawing
Like making
picture.
my own.
Can I take a look?
Assignment or something. Yeah.
Aduh.
I just practice it myself.
Mantap. Wih, your self portrait.
Yeah, my self portrait.
Mantap. Very good, brother.
So much. I also got a portrait from like an old man.
Oh, yeah.
His picture from internet.
Oh, mantap. You have a good talent. Waduh, very detail.
Yeah.
You.
And I also do anime.
Wah, Zoro.
You know him? You know him?
Zoro from One Piece. Mantap.
When I got one.
Ini orang punya talenta gini nih harusnya viral. Bukan yang joget-joget
Where's
TikTok.
Luffy? I lost Luffy. Where's
Ih,
him?
mantep ini gambar-gambarnya. What do you want to be? Desainer. Waduh, Luffy. Monkey the Luffy. Subscribe.